I found a list of .gov sites that you can use, and it's in CSV format, meaning you can use it and put it into Excel and give it to maybe a freelancer or somebody like that, so they can go through one by one and see which ones to contact and which ones not to contact, and which ones can link to you, which ones might be relevant, which ones might not be relevant. So it's a list of like a lot of them. The URL to this I'll post as a resource in the video. If you can't get to it for whatever reason, I'll tell you what the URL is. It's raw.github/gsa/data/master/.gov-domains/current-full.csv, and you go there, you find all the .gov sites, and you can do whatever you want with them, sort them, search them. You can see right here, the first line is, domain name, and then domain type, and then agency, organization, and city and state. So there's a lot of ways you can search for them. For example, everybody, all the ones in your city, all the ones in your state, maybe they're relevant. Maybe you can do something on your site that appeals to them, and then reach out to them saying, hey, look at this. We're doing something that is along the lines of what you're doing. Link to us in your local business directory, or feature us in your blog, or something else that may be relevant. So this is a great list. And if you have money to spend on freelancer to do your SEO, this might be a very interesting, creative, and unique way to get your .gov backlinks.